Hello everyone, today's video we are going to look for dividend announcement stock which is listed in ADX, okay, Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. This is for the while you're looking for the symbol itself, you can decide which stock it will be. Okay, so we are going to look what's the record date and what's the entitlement date and everything else. Let's see. Okay, this is what the information has been announced as per ADNOC. Okay, ADNOC difference will be there, different companies, group of companies will be available, so in which we are going to look for ADNOCLS. okay, logistic and services, that is what we are looking over here. And for the dividend they are giving for 6.78 fills per share. Okay, per share they are giving for 6.78, so it's not AED, it's a fill. So what you need to do, 0.0678 you need to multiply per share, then you will get it for respective dividend amount. So what's the record date they have been provided, in a sense 17 October 2024. So this is what the record date they announced, and you can go through it, what is the information has been provided over here. Okay, so dividend increase per share at least 5% per annum over the medium term. Okay, so 5% right now they are increasing 5% while compared with the earlier dividend. That is what the information they have been given here. Okay, and 260 million out of 955 million as the baseline. Okay, so that's information has been provided. It's related to logistic and services company. And from here, board of directors approval happened on 7th October. And what's the entitlement date, in a sense 15th October. So you need to purchase on 15th or before that you need to purchase. Okay, so either you need to purchase on 15 or else before 15 you need to purchase in order to eligible for getting dividend. So the record date has been provided for 17 October. Why? Because from here settlement date will be in UAE T+2 day. So if you are purchasing on 15th, in their books of account will be reflected on 17th. Okay, so for purchase order will be credited on same day itself. Right, in the evening itself you will get the invoice copy also. And dividend payment 30 days from board of directors approval. So after receiving the shares and 30 days after that you will get the respective dividend amount. If suppose some people will ask, okay, I am purchasing the share on 15th October, when I need to sell? Either you need to sell on 17th, okay, or else after 17th you can sell automatically. Once the 15th October, if you are purchasing, in a sense on 16th October itself the price will be dropped. How much of amount they are providing, that much of amount will be dropped. That is what the dividend criteria, and after that it will boom up. Okay, so once they are providing for dividend, how much of amount they are providing, that much it will be, price fall will be available for the dividend stock. That normally everybody knows. And this is what the information. And from here, for ADNOC currently trading for 5.60. okay, this is what the share price currently, it's trading for 5.60. so how much of amount you are going to invest, you need to cross check for the financials also, and after that you can try to invest for the respective stock. Okay, this is for the educational purpose, has been shared for the information. This is not the compulsory one, you need to purchase the stock and you have to get it for dividend and all. Okay, based on your investment you have to make a decision and do for own research, and after that invest in your amount with a proper portfolio. Okay, thank you friends, thank you for watching this. Bye.